Hello students, chapter number first, ideological basis of Pakistan, 9 Federal Board, Pakistan Studies. Pakistan came into existence on 14th of August 1947. During the 20th century, many nations got freedom and free and independent states emerged on the map of the world. Pakistan is also one of those countries, but the foundations of Pakistan was altogether unique and unprecedented. Dear students, Pakistan came into being on 14 August 1947, and during that period so many other states got freedom and emerged on the world map as a separate countries, separate states. But what's the difference between Pakistan and those countries? The difference is that ideological foundations of those countries are totally different from that of Pakistan. Pakistan's ideological foundations are different from those of other countries that got freedom during the same period that Pakistan came into existence. Most of the countries got freedom on racial, linguistic and territorial basis. Many countries got freedom on what basis? On the basis of racial, linguistic or territorial basis. Pakistan is the only country which came into being on the basis of a strong ideology. The basis of the ideology of Pakistan lies in the religion of Islam, which provides guidance to the Muslims in every aspect of life. Dear students, the basis of ideology of Pakistan lies in the religion of Islam. That religion gives guidance to the Muslims in every sphere of life. Islamic way of living encompasses all aspects of human life. Means Islamic way of life covers all aspects of life. No aspect of life has been spared by Islam. It has basic principles with reference to social, moral, political, religious and economic field. Islamic principles also covers political, social, economic and religious fields and social, moral, etc. As I have already told you that no sphere of life has been spared by Islam. Islamic system is based on Holy Quran, the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Ahadith. Now there is the base of Islam, which is based on what? Holy Quran as well as the sayings of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This very system was declared the basis of Pakistan, and this is the system which was declared by Muslims of the subcontinent of the South Asia, basis of Pakistan, basis of their future country, which was obtained in 1947